A restaurant in Bangalore is witnessing large footfalls since the debut of their latest delicacy, a gold-plated dosa, which is priced at a whopping 1,011 rupees. One of the restaurant owners chanced upon the idea of creating this unusual delicacy when he was surfing on the television for strategies to make his eatery stand out among other cities' food outlets.
See, I wanted to do something in restaurant business. I had a passion of doing something in eating food or a passion of cooking. So I thought, why can't we do something different in restaurant industry? So when I saw once in a TV channel that they're using gold foils for pizzas and ice creams that cost $1,000. So in US, so I thought it costs 50,000. Why can't we get it into Bangalore? So and do use on something else.
Priced at an exorbitant rate, the dish is roasted crisp with a hint of olive oil and has a filling of mashed potatoes in addition to the gold foil for the finishing touch. The owners have also planned to patent the dosa in the future. The restaurant also serves a dosa covered with a silver foil at an affordable price of 151 rupees.
I liked gold so much. I'm eating gold dosa. I got to know through my friend that they sell gold dosa over here, and I wanted to try it. After I tried it, I liked it so much. I'm eating this for the fourth time, and I want others also to come and try here. And this is ISO certified dosa. It's really good for the health. It has no bad side effects. It's affordable. 1,011. I think at this age, 1,011 we go for shopping, girls. You spend 1,011 for a bag, for everything.
They say all that glitters is not gold, but this case is an exception. This gold-plated dosa not only sparkles but also has medicinal properties which have instantly made it a bestseller. Correspondent Jaipal from Bangalore for ANI.